Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2020 Buick Enclave, and on this Buick Enclave we're going to go over the process in which you go through to change out your horn. So to start with, you would need to unlock your door if your door is locked, and then open the door, and then you come right down here where your left foot would be sitting, or left knee, and this is the lever you need to pull from the inside. That releases the latch, and so from on the outside, now we're around the front of the vehicle, right here above the emblem, right here in the middle. We have a lever that we need to move to the right to be able to unlock the secondary safety latch. So this has two horns, one on both sides. So if you've got one that's not working and you want to replace it, this is the way you do it. So engine, this is in the engine bay with the hood up. We have access to it right here. May actually have another plastic cover over that you may need to remove. It's not on this, so we have our horn here, and like I said, another one on the right side. This is the last side. So you can either unhook the electric connector before you undo the horn, or we can just pull it up and then have better access. So we just need one 10mm wrench or ratchet to loosen and remove that bolt. And once you've done that, you'll be able to grab the horn, bring it up, and this is where we have a safety lock. And so this red tab, you need to move back, the safety lock, and then depress the black tab that's in the middle there to unlock the clip to remove the horn from the unit there. So then, when you got your new one, you'll just go in the reverse order. Connect, make the double lock in there, and then be able to set our horn right here. Sorry, so once you make that electrical connection, you set the horn back there with the bracket. Now maybe the bracket didn't come with your new horn. If the bracket doesn't come with the new horn, you just take your 10mm, take this bolt off, and put the horn to the bracket. And then you'll be able to retighten this bracket down. That is the replacement of your horn. Like I said, if you're replacing both at the same time, same process on the other side. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.